Hey there, everyone. This is Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine. And today I'm going to be taking a look at a video I found called How to Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners by John Crestani. Now, hold up. I know there's going to be a bunch of people in the comments here. So I know that he has an interesting kind of a reputation out there. I'm curious how you guys feel about him. Have you bought any of his products? I know he's got tons of stuff where he's got like money shooting guns and all this crazy stuff that he does in his affiliate marketing and the way that he markets. He's definitely an over the top kind of guy. I've actually seen him interviewed before and talking about it. So if you have any kind of experience with John, please comment below and let me know whether it's good or bad. I'm really interested in hearing about it. But yeah, I want to take a look at this video. It's how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. It has over 26,000 likes on it, only 1,000 dislikes. So let's take a look at it. Let's give him a chance and see how we feel about this by the end of this video. If we like what he's talking about, if we think he's legitimate, or is he another one of those gurus. So let's hit that like button here and let's jump in.
I'm John Crestani, and I make over $500,000 a month with affiliate marketing.
Whoa, $500,000 a month. That was 2019 that he did this. $500,000 a month? That's a lot of money.
But I'm going to show you how to get started if you're a complete beginner, and I'll be going over on my computer right here a step-by-step way for you to go from zero to hero.
It's got a nice little bumper video here. Ooh, he's got that flashy car there. You gotta have the fancy car. If you're an affiliate marketing guru, you gotta have the fancy car. Look at that right there. The mustache and beard, the haircut. Very definitely you remember John.
Hey, so if you're looking to start affiliate marketing and you are a complete beginner, first of all, I recommend you do check out my introduction series to affiliate marketing. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get started. We're going to be doing a
Look at that pile of cash back here. A big pile of cash. Why don't I have any big piles of cash?
A couple things here. We're going to be the first part of affiliate marketing is joining an affiliate network. And this is where you find products you can sell or link to and make commissions from. First step. Second step is you want to find a product, a specific product.
Okay, so this is a very basic version of this. He's talking to us like we have never done affiliate marketing before, which I know some people haven't. So that's good. That money's still sitting there.
That you can sell on the internet, that you resonate with, and that you can make money with. So that's going to be our second thing. The third thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually go out there and sell it. Now, if you are a serious action taker, I recommend go through all these steps in this video, and actually you can start earning your first commissions right now if you just take these steps. So let's get on my computer and I'll show you everything step by step so you know.
Wait, there's another pile of money there. He's just got piles of money just sitting around the house. That's what millionaires do. They just have money just sitting around the house everywhere. I should do that too.
What you're getting into. So here I am, and if we Google just affiliate networks, for instance, we'll find a bunch of results. We'll find a ton, and we'll see if we just look up the top 10 affiliate networks that aren't Amazon, we'll see a ton of affiliate networks. We see Clickbank, JVZoo, GiddyUp, ShareASale, Eventgate. How do you decide what to join? Now, first off, two great affiliate networks to join are Amazon, and my other favorite is Clickbank. So Amazon is very easy to join, and let me show you how to join Amazon's affiliate network. Now, if you're on Amazon right here, as you see, I'm on Amazon.com. Okay.
I've joined Amazon's affiliate network too. I've not made very much money from it. The commissions are so low on it that it's really hard to make a lot of money from it.
Okay. We'll scroll down to the bottom of the page. And what we see is in the footer, it says, make money with us. Okay, right there. And you'll see there's a lot of ways you can make money with Amazon, selling, private label brands, business, etc. But what we're interested is become an affiliate. Now that's what we're going to start with right there. So when we click on this, we'll see profit from our experience, earn up to 10%.
It says earn up to 10%, but if you look at all the different products that you can earn up to 10% on, You either have to have a lot of volume, as in you sell a lot of stuff, or maybe there are specific products that earn 10%, but most of it's very, very low.
Advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. Join now for free, okay? So very easy to join and start selling stuff on Amazon. See, it says join, advertise, earn, and basically you'll just want to join. And one of the things it will ask you for is it will ask you to put in a website. Now, do you have a Facebook profile? My guess is yes. Or if you don't, you can create a Facebook profile for free. That's your website.
Does Amazon accept a Facebook profile as a website? If you know that in the comments, let me know. I thought you had to have like an actual website.
Okay, very easy. Also, I've heard of some people just putting in random websites that have a lot of visitors in their niche, and I guess Amazon doesn't check. But keep in mind, your YouTube channel, you can set up a YouTube channel for free. Your Facebook profile is free, and you can set these things up and use them as your website. Okay, very easy.
Again, let me know in the comments if someone's done that because I've never heard of that before.
Now, Amazon, you don't make a lot of money. For purposes of demonstration, I could, say I'm selling this book, Anathem, which is about a $20 book. If you earn 10% of that, what are you making? $2. You're not going to become a millionaire recommending books to people unless you're making more than 10%. So the affiliate network that I really like is called Clickbank, and you can see Clickbank right here.
That's like a digital marketing one. If you guys know like Warrior Plus and JB Zoo, those are the products that I mainly promote on my channel. ClickBank's another one that was like used a lot before, but I guess people are still making a lot of money on
A
ClickBank.
lot of affiliate networks, but Clickbank is the most trustworthy and the oldest affiliate network around. It's been around for 21 years. It's based in Boise, Idaho. And this is the network that I made my first commissions on. Many people have made their first commissions on. And it's also been the affiliate network that I currently make most of my money with. Now, if we click here,
Is he going to log in and show us the money that he's made? That's what I wanted to see. He talks about making like $500,000 a month. He said he's making $500,000 a month. I want to see if he shows us.
affiliate marketplace right there, we'll see all of the products that you can sell on a commission only basis. So let's click this search icon right here and see how many products we can find. Okay, now you'll see there's over 4,500 products in the marketplace. Let's zoom in. So this gives you a lot of options of what do you want to sell. Okay, what do you want to sell to make a lot of money with? Okay, and you'll see they tell you how much money you'll make if somebody buys what you're selling as an affiliate. You see $37 if you sell this, $56 if you sell this, $41 if you sell this. There's a lot of money to be made selling these different products. Now, to find something you resonate with, you kind of want to choose what I recommend. I personally sell business opportunity type products.
He's in the make money online niche. So he does business opportunity stuff. And because it's a really lucrative niche, it's what my channel is mostly about, make money online, because there's a lot of money to be made in it. And I'm actually really interested in it.
But what I recommend you do is let's just get started on Amazon. Okay, as I said, the way you make big money is with another affiliate network outside of Amazon. But let's just get started with Amazon for the time being for demonstration purposes. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, cool. Sorry, I didn't hear you there for a second.
It's okay.
So back to Amazon. Now, I'm going to go to Amazon.com. And once again, let's say I want to start off with advertising this book, Anathem, which is a book I'm reading right now. It's a really good book. And we're going to search this on Amazon and look it up. So we'll see, okay, well, it's $9. Okay, $9 right here. So I'm going to click on the book. And what you'll see is when you're accepted for an affiliate network, you see this little bar. It says Amazon Associates Site Stripe right here. This is where I'll get my affiliate link.
And the thing is, a little tip, like if you sign up for their affiliate program, you might as well send your friends and family, if they're going to be buying stuff at like the holiday time or Christmas time or whatever, send them a link and just say, hey, if you don't mind, I know you're going to buy stuff on Amazon anyways, buy through my link. You can make some extra commissions just from stuff that they're buying. It doesn't cost them any more and you make money from it. And if they join too, they can send you over their link and you can buy through theirs and each make money.
So what I'll do is I'll click Get Link Text right there, and you'll see it says text link created below. Now, this is my affiliate link, which I will use to sell this book. This is the link. People need to click on this link and buy the book, and I make money. Okay, does that make sense? People click on this link, they buy the book, and I make money. So we can look at the full link here. I'm not going to go into the full what the full link is, but this carries, basically the link carries information that tells, the way affiliate marketing works is the link contains information that tells Amazon that's it, the person clicked on my link versus they searched for it online or whatnot. And that link is in right here, the tag. So that this stuff tells them. But we're just going to grab the short link, copy it. Now I have my link. I joined an affiliate network, I selected a product, and we're going to move on to posting about how we can actually, getting some people to come to my website.
That's the hard part, getting actual traffic to it. I'm really curious how he's going to recommend to get traffic.
Okay, so now there are a few ways to get people to come to your link. Okay, you will already have access to them. Now, do you communicate with anybody digitally? My guess is yes, you do. Probably use text messages. That's a way you could get your link out to people.
But I don't want to like just text message all my friends my link unless I do the thing that I talked about before where I say, hey, buy through my link and I'll buy through yours.
You use email. That's a way you can get your link out to people.
You could put your link at the bottom of all your emails. I've seen people do that. I don't know how well it works. I don't do it myself, but I mean, you could put a link at the bottom of every email to check out your Amazon store. It could be a way of making some extra money.
You use Instagram. That's a way you can get your link out to people. Do you ever post comments on YouTube? That's a way you can get your link out.
You don't really want to spam your comments. If people start posting links to their Amazon on this video, I wouldn't want that. I would delete it.
Out to people. Facebook is a way you can get your link out to people. All of these methods are ways you can get your link out to people. Now, most of the time, you're probably having very you're talking about random social, male-female social dynamics in your life. That's cool, but we're talking about making money here. So that's what we'll need to be talking to people about in our emails. Now, let's say I'm recommending this book. The first place I could start is through email. I want people to click on my link. I could send an email to a couple of my close friends, let's say, or just people I know. I could send one to, my friend Carlos. I'm not actually going to type in my friends' emails here, just so you don't email all my friends. But I could type in my friends, and I could, write something like book recommendation. And I could say, I remember you asked me for a sci-fi book recommendation, and I'm reading a really good one right now. I absolutely love it. Check it out. And I put my link there.
I'd recommend saying, just so you know, that's an affiliate link. Just let them know that it's an affiliate link, just so they don't feel like they're being used.
See? There's my link. So I wrote a little short personal email in the way I normally communicate, and then I just put my initials. So that's a way to get your link out to people. You could send an email to people whose emails you have. And in this case, I'm sending an email to Carlos, who I know is interested in science fiction books. That would be a good way to start affiliate marketing. Another way to start affiliate marketing is I could go on my Facebook. And I have, a lot of the people I'm friends with on Facebook are, like the future and science fiction and all this stuff. I'm not going on my Facebook page.
I guess you could, I don't know if you can send, like, if you send your friend messages on Facebook, you could send it there. You can maybe post it on your Facebook profile. Say, hey guys, hey everyone, I really like this book. And if you guys want to pick it up, here's my affiliate link. You could do that.
Going on my personal Facebook. because I want to communicate with people personally. Do you buy things from ads? Probably not. Do you ever buy things or see movies?
Yeah, I do buy things from ads. I think a lot of us buy things from ads. So, but I think he's trying to point out the fact that personal recommendations from people that you know have a higher chance of people actually buying them.
Or listen to music based on other friends of yours' personal recommendations? My guess is yeah. Again, if we want people to buy from our link, it needs to be somewhat.
I can't get over that cash just sitting there. I wish he hasn't mentioned it. He hasn't even touched it. Usually, he would you would think he would like pick it up or kind of mention it, but it's like the elephant in the room there. That cash is sitting there on the side, just kind of hanging out.
Of a personal recommendation. That's why I'm posting on my personal profile. Now, if you don't want to sell anything, that's cool. Okay? But again, the other methods of getting your link out there are expensive. They cost money. So we're doing this for free. Now, if you are interested in going deeper into affiliate marketing and paid advertising and the art of copywriting, I suggest I'm gonna have my assistant put up a link to my playlist called The Art of Copywriting here, which will go over how you can use paid advertising to actually make money.
Okay, so this is the real thing. If you want to really make money, you need to do paid ads. But didn't he just say that people don't buy from paid ads? John, you're contradicting yourself a little bit here.
With marketing. Okay, so here we go. Create a post. I'll just say, really good sci-fi book I'm reading. Mindgasms every day so far. Check it out. Neil Stevenson is a genius. Now, I'm not spelling correctly because I'm doing personal communication. That's what sells. Again, if you're writing something that
He's not spelling correctly because person, John. No, I guess maybe it's more. It might be more like realistic. If he really doesn't spell well, and this is the way that he really writes, then yes. But you don't need to spell incorrectly on purpose.
looks like an ad, nobody's going to buy ever.
He's trying to make it so it doesn't look like it's like a formal ad format. He's just kind of making it a natural, personal flow. Okay, I get that.
Ever. Nobody wants to buy from ads. Nobody wants to get raped. And that's what buying.
What did he just? What did he just say?
Nobody wants to buy from ads. Nobody wants to get raped. And
Nobody wants to get raped. It's kind of a weird thing, but anyways, okay.
that's what buying from an ad feels like. It feels like your wallet is being raped. You want to feel like you're in love, and a personal recommendation feels like you're in love. So here it is. Here's my post. Very simple post. But then I just share it, and that's how it works. Okay? Then I'll just post it right here. Now, that is how to start affiliate marketing in a nutshell. I hope this video was helpful. You can check out my playlists on the basics of getting started with affiliate marketing on my channel homepage, or there should be a link somewhere around.
Okay. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. What do we think about John here? Do we think he's legitimate? Was this a helpful video for you from him, or was it too basic? Was it like was he dumbing it down too much? I'm really curious to hear from you guys. Make sure that you like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.